Hey guys, I'm McDevitt from Flex BMX team. Today I'm gonna do a bike check. Well, this morning it's about 8:35 in the morning. I'm kind of sick, but yeah, it's supposed to be really sunny today, so that's what I'm looking for. Yeah, it's like 70 something right now. It feels really good. I woke up at like really early and started riding. So yeah, first off, I'll talk about all the stock parts. Of course, the whole bike is a sapient perspica Pro. So yeah, stock seat, stock tires, stock rims. Um, let's see, what else is stock? Stock headset, stock body, stock brake cable, stock brake. Same with the front. It's just like stock tires, stock rim, stock everything. Um, stock everything on the tire except for the valve cap. So yeah, I'll tell you all the not. So, that's a stolen seat clamp. ODI long necks, flangeless, super soft edition, red, ODI bar ends, both sides. Like I said, stock brake cable, power brake lever. Got it off my Mongoose because the brake that came with this sucked. It was metal and it like I was doing something and then it like snapped, like the metal snapped. So the strong plastic works better for me. My brake cable was kind of like hanging down really low, so I just zip tied it to there. I mean, it doesn't really bother me, the zip tie. The bike doesn't have to look perfect. Like, see, I got some scuffs that I can't get off just by water and everything. I mean, I can kind of make them faded, but I don't really care. It doesn't have to be perfect. Yeah. Stock peg, Mongoose peg. Duo PC pedals, kind of big, because I got a big foot, so I like stolen 3-piece cranks. Very good. I'll show you the hub noise. Oh yeah, stock front hub and back hub. I'll show you the hub noise in a second. I did that little thing where you take the hub out, take all the grease out of it, and now it's pretty loud. So yeah, I got the nitrous trap FL stem. Just like a cheap $28 stem. It works good. So yeah, got that. And I also got Mission Alloy red valve caps. Let me find it. There. The red, I may get a red seat. I'm not sure. I may get a white one. I like the padded seats more. Because the only red ones I got on dance comp is plastic. The red ones. Okay. Now I'll tell you my stickers. Oh yeah. Stock chain. New sprocket. Shadow Conspiracy sprocket. Really nice sprocket. My dog's scared of it. Yeah. So, what was I gonna do? Crap. Oh yeah, I was gonna show you the stickers. Got a sapient sticker there. Heart Oregon, because that was where I was born. Spitfire, Perspica Pro. Spitfire, just like my shoes. Got the Spitfire Edition Vans, Rasta colors, like a boss. No sapient sticker. 1 second, I gotta turn that upside down. Sapient and dance comp sticker. Those are all my stickers, and there's my dog. I'll do the HUD noise now. Let me put the camera down. Oh crap, I need to go get my tripod. Okay, well, I'm gonna put it down to flip it over. Okay, got it flipped over. Now, here's the hub noise. Whoops. Really good hub. Sounds good. Works good. I have no problems with this bike whatsoever, except for the stock stem that comes with it. Sucks. Yeah, and I don't like the grips that come with it. See ya.